It's not going to be easy. It's going to be fucking hard.
Put the work into learning this. You do deserve it. Because there's no industry like this. It's so easy, you can fail immediately. It's so hard, but yet you can win overnight. There's nothing like this business. So if you have put the time in, or are willing to put the time in, you're a new student, you're a new trader, you are a new hotshot on the block. Your system rocks. Stick around, kid. Even if you're profitable, and something will happen. Either you'll go into a tailspin because you'll believe this internal dialogue that this can't go on forever and I don't deserve it. This can't be real. I should be out there swinging a hammer. I should be out there digging in the pits as a plumber. I should be out there doing things, getting dirty. I shouldn't deserve to live a lifestyle like this. Only you can change that thought process, and you need to do it today.
Bruh. That's crazy. I was just muted during that whole spiel, bro. That's crazy. Am I? Oh my god. Ding dong. What a ding dong. Like, let me see if I can summarize what I just said. If I can summarize what I just said real quick, daily chart. Daily chart, we ended up with a range day yesterday, pretty much, right? We took out previous day high, previous day low, took out the previous day range completely. We did end up holding this daily volume imbalance. You know, we were able to catch shorts yesterday in the morning. I was able to catch a trade back during lunch into the range, which was nice. And then looking at the 4 hour, you can see that this 4 hour inefficiency never did get a closure through it. So we actually still are just holding all of our higher time frame bullish PD arrays on the daily, on the 4 hour. For that reason, I'm liking the idea of leaning more for upside. It is the day before CPI, so that is the only thing that could maybe force you to temper expectations, right? So day before CPI today. So what I was talking about right before opening bell was, what do we do with this 15-minute gap, right? We got news at 8:30. We traded up, right? Kind of looks like this could potentially be a manipulation, but given how the 4 hour looks, the daily, the hourly, etc., you know, do we see something like this where maybe we come down, take out London low, take it out on ES? Yeah, taken out. And then we actually see this 15-minute gap hold, and then we just see price maybe move back towards like previous day high, maybe 514, that level above. So we'll see what we get, but liking the upside as probably more of a bias. So proven otherwise, right? Until like this 15-minute, this would have to get like totally ran. That is what I was saying. That's kind of the summarized, paraphrased version of what I said, but I didn't realize I was muted. That's my bad. My bad. You know, sometimes when you're streaming, it feels like I'm running a circus over here. Charts, chat, audio, visual. And I mean, get dizzy and throw up sometimes. Feels like I'm on a carnival ride. Sometimes the wicks on NASDAQ make you feel the exact same way. Crazy, bro. Crazy, crazy, crazy. All right. Previous day highs 465. Just traded down, took out this low. I like higher though if we can get it. I'm not opposed to trading it at the opening. We SMT'd as well here. Oh. Look at these wicks, bro. 57 points. So we got like we got a minute and a half left on this 5 minute. Then this 5 minute like a 5 minute closure back above here. But I'm looking. Something like that. I wonder if I can get away with my stop not all the way at this wick low. I feel like I should. Just below 50% of the wick. Can I try to get stingy with the stop here? Get this? It will go lower. It might. Yeah, if we don't get this confirmation, then we just wait. We got London lows. Do we take out London low? No. Okay. So we got London low right below actually where we. I don't know, a choppy London session, chat. These 30-minute candles. All right, no, yeah, no close on the 5 minutes, so just. We got ES pushing up off the 15-minute gap, pretty nice. I'll show you guys ES here. ES, this is the 15-minute chart. We are pushing up on ES. What this looks like. I don't love these equal lows though. I am. This is the stronger one. I think I'm going to go for a buy here on ES. I want to see if we can grab the stronger asset and get this continuation up. We just go for a fixed 2R. Break even at a new high. I want to see us draw towards that previous day high. So I'm in longs here on ES at 680 or 984. Top just at this recent low. Starting to kind of. We starting to outpace on NQ now? Morning, Debbie. Yeah, we're chopping quite a bit here, aren't we? Liking the way that this 15 looks on ES. I'm trying to be in the stronger one here. Like I said, SMT at this low here. Off open. SMT at the low, 15 minute. 15 minute, obviously, OB here. Trade it back down, refill this imbalance. Looking for just that continuation. Go. I'm just going for a fixed 2R here, too. I mean, you can hold the previous day high. If you want. Suppose. Just. These wicks, bro. Hmm. All right, new high. We'll go break even there. Basically, target ends up being 7,000 exactly. Hmm. We'll see if we get any follow through. Pretty choppy, to be honest, a little bit. Big wicks. Big wicks, small dicks. That's the motto. Oh, come on, you dirty. I don't know if we're going to get this follow through, to be honest. He's starting to roll over. We are in the stronger one, so we'll see. Not to look into. Stop break even, guys. Dang it. Couldn't get the follow through out of here. But we have S&T against this trade. So we have S&T on both sides of this range. NQ might just roll over now. Hope I don't get break even in rips, but break even stop for me, guys. Try YM. I did trade YM. What was that? Fridays ago. Yes, just looked the cleanest. YM kind of ripped really quickly. We're way expanded above this range. I went with ES over NQ there. Definitely was expecting a new high at least, so that was my break even. Up in the air, looking like NQ wants to jump off a cliff. It never even gave this 5-minute confirmation, so there was no trade here. All right, there's London low though. Macro, well, that was pretty early too. We're about to close the first 15-minute candle here in 30. Let's see, boys. Let's see. There's London. See this 15-minute wicking all the way back down. I lose the gapperoo. Boys, how sick would it have been though if this just ripped all the way up there? Oh, dude, it'd have been so sexy. How sick would that have been? Can't even lie. That'd have been pretty. All right, so yeah, we got the 15-minute change in the state lower now. Man, yeah, might have to reassess this. Or good. We'll be patient here. New 15-minute. We traded down below this 15-minute low. Kind of right at the midpoint of Asia. Asia's at 242. I just don't want to favor upside just because of the hourly and the day, or the 4-hour hourly daily. Like everything, we haven't disrespected anything bullish, right? Not on the 4-hour. So I mean, the ideal. Hold me lower. Congrats, Katas. Enjoy timeout for being YQ comp.
Man, you are one pathetic loser.
Enjoy VIP. You'll see that we've accommodated the guests well with refreshments. Week was clean. I think so. I've been green every day so far this week. And then this was a break even. That last trade I just took was a break even. So was up decent. Entry 84. We're up 8 points on ES. Wanted a little more. Perhaps what would the risk reward been if I just would have went off of like if I just took it off at this high, what would my risk reward? Oh, a little over 1 hour. Could have done it, I guess. Sexiest. TRADEIFY down? What do you mean? I just took a trade. I problems. I'm not on TRADEIFY though. The platform itself is the problem. I am on TRADEIFY, but I'm just logged into TradingView. Oh, what was the poll in the chat, by the way? 50% of the chat was bullish, 32% bearish. Go. All right, there's Asia. There's Asia low. Kind of left some nice trendline liquidity up here. Macro just getting started. Rage bait your mom. Dude, I shared the canvas color yesterday. Where were you? Significant retracement too short? What do you mean? I think the short opportunity set up after ES ran out this high, and then we had the SMT against the long. Yeah, kind of just rolled over on NQ. But yeah, no retracement in terms of like after we finally got displacement down. CISD is going to fail. We didn't even get a CISD yet. How it could fail if it doesn't. You know what I mean, Felix? Yeah, man. How does something fail if it doesn't form? Well, I'll tell you what I'll be doing. I'll tell you what I'll be doing if it sets up. Something like this. Buster. What are you, Dominic Toretto? And I'm Brian O'Connor on the first The Fast and the Furious. The Buster kept me out of handcuffs. The Buster brought me back. Classic, boy. Classic. Yo, by the way, I think they just announced they're doing the 11th Fast and Furious. I think it got to a point where they're just like, yeah, we actually just make too much money every time we make one, so we're just going to keep making them until they stop making money. Definitely probably should have called it a quits on that franchise, though, after Paul Walker died. They did a nice little tribute at the end. That should have been the end. That should have been the end of it. I'm not going to lie. Don't get me wrong. I'm still going to go watch it, but yeah, probably should have done that. Asia low, he refers, is a kill zone. Oh, you got Asia low. Oh, you're saying that yours is at 205. Yeah, I'm just going off. Still waiting for confirmations though. What's up, Rico? All right. Might not even get the CISD to form, so we don't have nothing to worry about. This 4-hour chart. Still in this 4-hour gap, man. Bullish until it ain't. Bullish until it ain't. Not even 10 a.m. yet. We're finally seeing ES let loose out of that same range now. YM, this is what YM looks like. Oh. Hambrings, I guess. Ugh. I was looking at this NQ chart. I'm like asking, I'm like, if you had a bearish bias, where are you executing? 5 minute. There's off of a. ICT said on X yesterday to note New York PM lows. Note the New York PM lows, did he? The PM lows? You mean the lows that we already took out? Before this day started? Well, boys, hourly candle is about to close here in a minute. And my oh my, does this look like it kind of wants to potentially expand to that previous day low. We're going to have to wait and see if we can find something in the 10 o'clock hour. Going to depend how we open. I mean, missing the short. Me too here. Yeah, I don't think this was a super easy short to catch. No way you can long in good faith after the hourly candle. Well, that's kind of where I'm at now too. Yeah. We'll see. But I don't know. New hour just opened up. We did immediately take the low. You know, if we want to be bearish, I still want to see us, you know, manipulate higher first. No. This is where it's like we come down, we take out previous hourly low. Like if we just rip back up and don't find any resistance here, who's to say we don't come all the way back up here to the hourly structure? Possible. So waiting to see if we get reaction here. If we do, I like hopping on. Look at Dow Jones right now. Dow Jones still looks like it wants to make a push for the previous day high. Type shit. We're chart maxing right now, boys. We're chart maxing. We're trying to get we're trying to get liquidity mugged while chart maxing. Have you guys ever been liquidity mugged while chart maxing? I tell you, I've been there before. I've been there. It's not the best feeling in the world when you get liquidity mugged like that. Really dries a guy. Really dries a guy up. Well, no, TDD. I'm not gonna put something like that in timeout. Yeah, that's actually like valuable. You know, it's just when people are like, "Oh, I told you so, bro, fucking idiot." Shut the fuck up, dude. It is Katas trades. Bro, what is up with you guys having fucking multiple YouTube accounts? You guys just like do shit for a living? You're just like, I need multiple burners so I can fuck with people? Is that what's going on here? Let it rain down. Yeah, boys, I believe I'm going to give this short a try. We got resistance off the 5-minute bearish OB. This is looking like we want continuation shorts. So we got a 1 minute inversion confirmation. Let's see. See if this 10 a.m. candle wants to expand lower. If not, it's probably looking like a pretty choppy dog shit at price. Oh, nice. Oh, yeah, that's sick. Oh, yeah. Oh. Immediately. All right, well, might get stopped out here. More confirmation. I love the need more confirmation argument that gets used endlessly. Like, should I wait for it to hit my target? Is that enough confirmation? Once it hits my target, I'll have enough confirmation that it's going to my target, I guess. Somebody call BB Netanyahu. Come on, BB. I think BB Netanyahu's in the States right now, actually, isn't he? Somebody get him on the phone now. Come on, BB. Come on, BB. BB, BB, BB. You know, BB. Oh, see this. So BB. Oh, dude. Hey, BB. Hey, listen, BB. I've been telling this whole chat, BB. Let's give all of our money to Israel. It's just been like, you know what I mean? Like, God put it on my heart. You know, now that I think about it, like, Israel actually, like, you guys actually are the chosen people. Like, now that I think about it, like, every dollar I make, it was actually promised to you 3,000 years ago. And I'm starting to see it your way. I'm starting to see why you're saying that. Starting to understand. I'm really starting to, you know what I mean? Like, I'm loving the work you guys are doing. And it's just all love over here, right? So it's just Shabbat Shalom, whatever, or whatever you guys. B boys, you just gotta praise BB, and then your stop loss gets saved. Your TP was promised you, you know, 1,000 candles ago. We did just put in a new. We didn't SMT, did we? Not with ES. Technically, we're in like a never-ending SMT with YM. I just don't want to go break even right now, and then it tags me, and then we dump. I just don't want to. I also don't want to get caught in chop though. Like if this just macro coming to an end, we just kind of go sideways and grind around. Let's see here if we can get a little bit more movement, like weekly open. Trying to get a little room to breathe here. BB. In BB we trust. BB Netanyahu. Come on, BB. Come on, BB. Come on, BB. BB, I'm so excited to pay taxes this year because I know it's going to you. I'll just write you a check. Actually, now that what's your Venmo? What's your Venmo, BB? Just send it over. I got you, dog. We don't need a middleman. We don't need no middleman. I got you. He's listening. He watches the stream. Ah, boys, I don't know. Tell you what, if we inverse this gap, I think I will just cut the trade. I don't want to get caught in like some accumulation. We're tapping weekly open on ES. We can get out of this range. Give some room to breathe before we break even. Timing is kind of getting a little bit. But yeah, I just don't want to go. I just don't want to go break even right here off of new low because we don't have a lot of. No cutting. I'll cut it if we disrespect. This needs to just keep holding bearish. But when we got BB on your side, it's kind of like, you listen. You can't lose when you got family, right? That's what Dominic Toretto taught us. You can't lose when you got family. But what isn't talked about enough is you can't lose when you got BB. Holy. Everybody panic. Everybody panic. The BB squeeze. There you go. Buddy's got one hell of a bear hug, I'll tell you what. Let's go, BB. Come on, BB. Come on, BB. Come on, BB. I feel it's gonna rain for days and days. What are we gonna do here? I feel it's gonna rain like this for days. Let it rain down and wash. I hope that tomorrow's sun will shine. BB. BB. Benjamin. 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 Are you listening, Ben? B? Benji. No, Benji. Fuck you, Benjamin Netanyahu. You suck. I'm not paying taxes. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. This is what I didn't want to. I don't want to get caught in this, man. That sucks. 10.15 minus $248. Not too bad. Not too bad. Got a whole ass change in the state of delivery on ES. 1 minute. I hope that tomorrow's sun will shine. Yeah, boys. I mean, I tried everything I could right there. I tried. I mean, I was straight up lying to Benjamin. I was trying to gaslight Benjamin. I really was. I was trying to gaslight him. Didn't work. It didn't work. Oh, I tried. You know, you mean you can't. You gotta try. That's all you can do. Guess it wasn't promised to me. I feel it's gonna rain. But I'm gonna go over this. The reason for it being is on the 5th. Only if we can get triggered up before this 15 though. This 15-minute gap has not been hit on NQ or ES. That's my break even. I'm gonna try this bullish. If it loses, I'm leaving. Getting off stream. I'm gonna go until. Best of luck. Thanks, Mobbin. Thank you. $360, yeah, it's, well, I guess it would be $360 because I went bullish, bearish, bullish. So I guess it would be $360. Fiddles. Bashi's right. What's up, Ketchup Overdose? I'm doing all right. I'm doing all right. If this loses, I'll be not in the best of mood, but I'll just hop off then. One break even, one short that I cut early before I hit full stop out. So I'm down 240, realize at the moment. Trade pending. Oh, it wants to go. I'm going to go. This is a 15-minute gap right here. So this is where I'm going to go. Hope that tomorrow's sun will shine. Holy ass cheeks, dog. I'm out. I'm out. I'm getting off too. I'm getting off. Ridiculous. Ridiculous. We're just chopping here. This is bullshit. This is bullshit. Down 7-10 on the day. Here's Pino. First red day of the week so far. All right. You fucking kidding me? All right. Yeah, I'm off. I'm getting off. I'm absolutely getting off. What the fuck? Oh my god. Peace and love, everybody. Enjoy your day. If you don't kill yourself, I'll see you back here tomorrow. Just kidding. Don't do that. Just kidding. I'm just joking. Haha, jokes. LOL. Enjoy your day, everybody. I actually need to get off, though, because I do have to go run to the bank quick. But I'm also getting off because the price action's dog shit and got me to smithereens. So I did try longs up here. Got break even stopped after an 8-point move on ES. Tried shorting NQ. Chopped it back up. Try one more long on ES. Closed it early. This is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. This isn't gonna go well for me. I'm gonna come back later. How about that? I'm gonna come back later. And that's just gonna be that. I know that I'm not gonna do well in this. Alright. Enjoy your day, everybody. Enjoy your day. I'll be back live tomorrow. If nothing else, I'll keep you guys updated in the Discord and on X if I take anything else today. But for now, peace and out. Peace and out. Getting off this chart. This chart is the devil right now. All right, guys. Enjoy your Thursday. I'll see you tomorrow. Love you.
Our trade sits at his desk, coffee in hand. The NASDAQ chart's on his screen, he's in command. He's a day trader, chasing dollars and dreams. Using ICT concepts, he's got some tricks up his sleeves. From Fibonacci retracement to volume spread analysis, Tyler knows the smart money, he's gaining an advantage. He watches the market like a hawk in the sky. With every tick and every turn, he's catching the high. Running with the smart money, kicking up dust. Tyler trades a day trader, you can trust. dancing with the bulls, riding with the bears, making moves, taking risks, he's a millionaire. Dancing with the bulls, riding with the bears, making moves, taking risks, he's a millionaire.